Kashmir remained cut off from the rest of the world for the second day today due to heavy snowfall in many areas over the past 4 days as the mercury fell below freezing point at the most places, with Gulmarg recording the coldest temperature in the state. The arterial Srinagar-Jammu highway remained closed for the second consecutive day as the road has been blocked by snowfall.
और 3 दिन से हम यहाँ बर्फ की परेशानी से पड़े और यहाँ बर्फ बहुत ज़्यादा गिरने की वजह से यहाँ हमारे गैस और पानी खाने पीने की सब तकलीफ हो रही है और यहाँ ठंडी बहुत ज़्यादा है, नहाना धोना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया, बाहर निकलना भी मुश्किल हो गया है और हमारे को इतनी दिक्कत आ रही है कि हम जाना घर पहुँचना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है.
Landslide at some places on the other side of the Panjal mountain range, an official said here. He said efforts were on to restore the 294-kilometer road, the only all-weather link between Kashmir and the rest of the country at the earliest. The road was closed yesterday due to heavy snowfall across the Kashmir and landslide at some places. The air traffic to and for Srinagar International Airport also remains suspended for the second day as the runway has been blocked by snow. Normal life across the valley remained paralyzed as the authorities here failed to clear the snow even from the main roads of the city and the other inter-district routes. Very few vehicles could be seen on the roads as people preferred to stay indoor after yesterday's harrowing experience with the traffic jams caused by snowfall. Meanwhile, Gulmarg ski resort in North Kashmir was the coldest record place in the state last night. Srinagar city, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir, and the other weather situation across the valley recorded the minimum temperature close to freeze point. More snowfall and rain has been predicted in the valley over the next 24 hours. With video journalist Majid Wani, this is Ashik Mir for Kashmir Crown. Top militant of Al-Badr, a banned terror outfit in Jammu and Kashmir, was Friday killed by the police and army during a joint operation in Bagh-e-Mahtab area of Srinagar. The police and army said that the militant was active since the past decade and had managed to escape during many operations. The militant killed in the operation, Muzaffar Naiku, was one of the most wanted. He was affiliated with Al-Badr and was trying to review the outfit's network. He said Naiku was associated with the Lashkar-e-Toiba before joining Al-Badr. He added, Sopore shuts to mourn death of top Al-Badr militant. A complete shutdown is being observed in Sopore town of North Kashmir's Baramulla district today to mourn the killing of a local Al-Badr militant. All the shops and business establishments are closed while public transport is off the roads.
Mehbooba visits father's grave to offer prayers on his first death anniversary. Mufti Mahmud Said died on this day last year due to multiple organ failure at AIIMS Hospital in New Delhi.
मुझे लगता है जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को मुफ्ती साहब को इसलिए भी याद करना चाहिए. 2 बातें हैं उनकी मैं कहूँ. एक तो उन्होंने जम्मू कश्मीर में एक रीजनल प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, एक रीजनल फोर्स दिया जो जमहूरियत के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. जब मैं ये बात कह रहा हूँ तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि फारूक साहब और उमर साहब की पार्टी का जो नेमल बदल उन्होंने जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को दिया, ये बहुत जरूरी है जमहूरियत की सेहत के लिए. मैं कहूँगा बहुत जरूरी है.
Said was the second Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister to die in office, the first one being Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah, who died on September 8, 1982.